Hey guys, how you doing? This is Mr. Chan. I'm just gonna quickly tell you guys how does a computer actually work? Like you spend a lot of your time on your computers. You watch YouTube videos, you go on your email, or you go on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. How does all of that actually appear on your screen? How does any of that actually work? So that's what we're gonna cover today. Um, so Before I get into that, I just wanted to show you what I have at home. What you see in front of you actually is all the parts that I have had before I built it. I actually bought all the different parts and made my own computer. Um, I'm not going to tell you what everything is, but obviously this right here is a keyboard. This is I think yep, that's a graphics card. This is a motherboard. That's my computer screen, and that's my case. But I'll explain what all of those things are. But I just thought it would be cool to show you what it looks like. And that's what it ended up looking like. Um, I just noticed there's two cans of Coke there. I don't. Never mind that. Yep, obviously, it lights up as well. And it's water cooled system. I'm pretty proud of it. But yeah. That's my computer. It took me maybe about just like 4 hours to build that, 4 or 5 hours. So it doesn't really take that long. All you really need is a screwdriver and you just need to know where everything goes. And that's the inside of it. Let's see if this works. Yeah, so you can see the lighting system inside my computer here. Yeah. Cool. So, but computers haven't always looked like that. Computers can back in the day, a long time ago, when the first computers to ever exist, they kind of looked like this. They were massive, completely massive, and they were very expensive. No one could afford them. It took many, many years until people could actually afford to buy one of them. Um, yeah, but originally, they looked like this, very big. Um, Inside your computer, a laptop, the computers in our lab, either one, any computer you see, they have some form of all these things you see on the screen. They have a CPU, a motherboard, fan, cooling system. Those words you won't know what they are. I'm about to explain them soon, but yeah, they all have these parts essentially. The motherboard. So this picture right here is what a motherboard looks like. They might look different quite a lot. A lot of the times, the older ones are green in color. Basically, a motherboard is what everything connects to. It's like you can think of it like if you're thinking of a computer like a person, the motherboard would be like the body. Your arms and your legs and your head are kind of connected to your torso, the middle of your body. So think of that as your motherboard. Um, yeah, so like old ones look like the one on the left, new ones look like the one on the right. The CPU, that's the brain of the computer. It does all of the thinking. And if you have a good CPU, it means you can do a whole bunch of things on your computer at the same time, and your computer would be fine. But if you don't have a very good CPU, then it would be very slow. So, for instance, I'm quite infamous for having many tabs open on my um, Google Chrome. So like I have like a whole bunch of YouTube open, I have like Google Classroom open, I have my Gmail open, I have my Facebook open, blah blah blah. Like that's classic me. But like if you don't have a good CPU, then if you have too many of those things going on your computer, then it would slow down. And these are just different types of CPUs in front of us. So the brain of the computer is the CPU. RAM, that's the short-term memory. So uh, I'll give you an analogy or like a similar way to think about it, or a way to think about it. when they made phone numbers, um, they made them short. They made them 8 letters because that's how many numbers most people can remember, like the maximum amount of numbers. So I don't know. Say a number is like 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 9, 6. That's the amount of numbers that an average person can actually remember. So like, there's only so much we can remember. Uh, for like like if we want to just remember something for like 10 minutes, that's how much we can remember. Just like 8 numbers. So like the RAM does something similar. It remembers small bits of information, small amounts of information for the computer. Um, that's basically it. Um, it's like the thing that remembers um, 8 numbers or small words or whatever that the computer needs to know. Um, yeah, the power supply um, that gives energy into the computer. It gives electrical energy into the computer so that it can turn on. If you do not have a power supply, then you can't do anything at all. Um, if you see an on and off button on the back of your computer, just like on this power supply here, you can see it sort of here. Then that's you got to make sure that that is on before you can turn on your computer. And generally speaking, it's at the bottom of the case. Which if we're gonna go back, that's the case. This is the case, and that's the case. So my turn on and off button is down here. You can check your computer for your own on and off button, and you'll know that's where the power supply is. A hard drive is where everything on your computer is stored. Every single little piece of data, every single little bit of information is on this hard drive. Um, that's pretty much it. A graphics card. If your computer needs to display something on the screen, anything that you can see on your computer screen requires your graphics card. But especially if you guys want to play like really, really high definition video, like movies or video games, then you need to buy a very good graphics card. And usually graphics cards are really expensive. It's actually probably one of the most expensive parts in my computer um, because well, I use my computer for those things. I watch a lot of movies and play video games, but that's kind of besides the point. So if you were going to play Fortnite, you would have to have a really good graphics card to play it. But you wouldn't need a really good graphics card to play Crash Bandicoot because Crash Bandicoot is really low quality in terms of video. There's not a lot going on the screen. Whereas obviously on Fortnite, there's so many things that you can see. Like there's like a sky, there's trees, there's like a lot of things going on the screen. Whereas on the Crash Bandicoot, there's like it's very simple. You know, it's like squares and like very small. Yeah, you know what I mean. Low quality video. A cooling system. So when you put electricity through a computer, this is the power supply, by the way. But like if you put electricity through a computer, um, it heats up. It heats up. If you notice your computer starts making a lot of noise, usually that means that these fans right here, are going really quick because your computer is overheating. So the computer is making the fans go quicker so that it cools down the system when it's when it's heating up too much. Because if it heats up too much, then the computer won't work. The parts won't work. And then more often than not, if it heats up too much, then your computer will crash, and that's why you need a cooling system. And this is your motherboard, and you see this little cooling system. Under here is a CPU. So this cooling system is actually this little fan is actually cooling down the CPU specifically. And there's different types of cooling systems. My one's water, so like my one looked like this, right? So this is water actually going through these little tubes, so that and that water is cold, so it's actually cooling down the system um, through these little tubes. Yeah. And a CD disk drive, I don't really have to tell you what that does, right? Like basically, you just put a CD in, put it in, yeah, and then you can use the CD. And an Ethernet cable. So usually when you guys have your phones, you guys are, I mean, always on your phones you're using wireless, so Wi-Fi. Um, and basically, uh, on your computers, you can also use Wi-Fi, but you can also use a thing called Ethernet cable, which basically is like directly connecting yourself to the internet. And the way you kind of connect yourself to the internet physically would be an Ethernet cable, which is this thing right here. So this is just a question here. How many of you have used a CD before? I was just curious. I'm gonna assume that not many of you guys have because it's kind of like being phased out. There's not many people using it anymore. Um, but yeah, because I mean nowadays you guys can just do everything online. You can use USBs. You don't even have to use USBs. You could just use Google Drive. So yeah. Um, so what I want you to do right now, if you haven't done already, um, write down notes for this video. Or if you feel confident, you don't have to, but you need to eventually answer some questions on the Google form, and you might have to watch this video again in order to get your answers. So thanks for watching. Good luck on the Google form, and I will see you guys at school on Wednesday. See ya.